To get the most out of Google Analytics, it is essential to understand how to use filters effectively. Filters allow you to narrow down your data, exclude certain types of traffic, and gain more accurate insights into your website's performance. First, let's discuss the different types of filters available in Google Analytics. There are two main categories: predefined and custom filters. Predefined filters are pre-built by Google and include options like excluding internal traffic or lowering case campaign names. Custom filters, on the other hand, allow you to create your own rules based on specific conditions. One of the most common uses of filters is to exclude internal traffic. This is important because it prevents your own team's browsing habits from skewing your data. To set up an internal traffic filter, you will need to create a custom filter that excludes traffic from your company's IP address. Another key concept is the difference between include and exclude filters. Include filters only show data that meets the specified criteria, while exclude filters hide data that meets the criteria. For example, if you want to see only traffic from the United States, you would use an include filter. If you want to hide traffic from a specific IP address, you would use an exclude filter. Best practices for using filters include testing them in a non-production environment first, regularly reviewing your filters to ensure they are still working as intended, and documenting your filter configurations for future reference. In terms of practical applications, filters can be used to track specific marketing campaigns, monitor traffic from certain geographic regions, or analyze data from specific devices. For instance, if you are running a social media campaign, you can use filters to track the performance of that campaign and see how it is driving traffic to your website. In conclusion, using filters in Google Analytics can help you refine your data and gain more accurate insights into your website's performance. By understanding the different types of filters, how to apply them, and best practices for their use, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics and make more informed decisions about your online presence.